In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Tonkeeper to GCash step by step. First, open the Tonkeeper app and unlock your wallet. Since Tonkeeper is a crypto wallet, you can't send money directly to GCash. Instead, you need to send your crypto to an exchange that supports both crypto and GCash withdrawals. Next, open your crypto exchange account such as Binance or another platform that allows GCash cash out in your region. Go to Deposit, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send such as TON or USDT, and copy the deposit address shown on the exchange. Now return to the Tonkeeper app, tap the token you want to transfer, and select Send. Paste the exchange deposit address, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Make sure the network matches the token you are sending. After the funds arrive in your exchange account, go to the Sell or Convert section and convert the crypto to Philippine Peso, PHP, or another supported currency. Then choose Withdraw, select GCash, and follow the instructions to send the money to your GCash wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.